Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys I have shared with you long cardigans designs, more stunning and elegant videos. These are stunning videos. If any videos related to any pattern for more attractive stunning videos and daily basis design, it's so gorgeous. More amazing designs and gray, golden, bright blue, pink, and amazing designs for lady wearing pattern. For more cardigans and long cardigans designs for type of upper for winter season is best collection for you. And easily carry this college girl, university girls. For every type of girls, easily carry this long cardigans. Amazing videos and daily basis are so gorgeous. So I will keep sharing similar design with my own family. So I will keep more attractive designs and some different colors for add this video, and one color combinations cardigans are so gorgeous. 2-3 colors and for stunning videos for colors. Black, blue, green, and so all color add this video and some colors for depending on your choice and related to this video and next videos for comment below. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notifications for more gorgeous and elegant videos. These stunning videos and daily basis designs, it's so gorgeous. So elegant videos. So just looking like cardigans design, it's so wow. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your home with evidence, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this. Amin. Take care of yourself.